I'm excited to talk to you about 5 little-known tax filing mobile apps. They have unique features the biggest players don't. Don't go anywhere. Welcome back, folks, to another edition of the Awesome Sweetie Kiwi Show. How are you doing today? I hope you are doing splendid because I'm doing terrific. If you are doing as marvelous as I am, go grab a cup of coffee or tea or vodka and let's roll. Today's conversation is going to be very interesting. I have 5 little-known tax filing apps that have unique features the biggest players don't. And when I'm talking about biggest players, I'm talking about the H&R Block of the world, the TaxAct, the TurboTax, and so on and so forth. And before we get into the nitty-gritty here, please check our evaluation approach. It tells you very succinctly what our methodology is for categorizing, for ranking, and for testing and reviewing tax filing applications. Check this out. All right, let's get into it. Number 5, we have EasyTaxReturn.com. Free file. Our score 9/10, and this app is available on Android and iOS. And the unique feature of this app is that it allows you to have a seamless tax filing process across all devices. I'm talking about tablets, phablets, laptops, desktops, you name it. And the cool thing here is you are able to have with EasyTaxReturn.com, you're able to have simple returns, free simple returns. You have free customer support, the biggest possible refund guaranteed, and they also offer 100% accuracy guarantee. And what we really love is that this company is kind of small, but because they are small, they pay more attention to customers. So in other words, compared to TurboTax or TaxAct, you're more than just another number to them. And while the big guys try to be everything to everybody, what Easy Tax Return does is that they have customized an app and an interface that speaks really to the customer. We also like the fact that they are very strong when it comes to education. So with the EasyTaxReturn.com, you're able not only to file for free if you have a simple return, you also have access to a vast database of fiscal guidelines, IRS forms, IRS deductions, credits, the whole 9 yards. And we also love that when we were testing this app, we love the fact that the interface, it's pretty user friendly. You're able to get answers very quick when the walkthrough process for the filing process is very simple. So you have an easy Q&A, questions and answer process. You also get step-by-step guidance on more complicated tax topics such as capital gains and all the credits such as the saver credit, the child care credit, and so on and so forth. So we really recommend it. EasyTaxReturn.com, 9/10. Next, we have number 4. We have Taxfyle. Our score 9/10. This app is available on Android and iOS. And the unique feature here is that this app combines software filing plus human review. And this is kind of great for busy individuals and entrepreneurs. What we really love here is that you're able to use Taxfyle to prepare all business forms, including C Corporation Form 1120, S Corporation from 1120S, Partnership Form 1065, and even Nonprofit Form 990. And this is ideal for independent contractors, freelancers, and home business owners. And the good thing here is if you already have QuickBooks or you have an account with Shoebox, Expensify, or Mint, then you can actually integrate the spreadsheet you have, the data you have in any of those 4 software programs into Taxfyle automatically. We also love the fact that with this app, things are very easy. In other words, you get started answering a few simple questions, and these questions will help actually the app determine things such as filing status, the state you're filing under, and forms needed to ensure you get the most on your return. We also love the steps. The app gives you a 4-step process. Number 1, answer a few simple questions. Number 2, review and submit your order. Number 3, you upload your documents. And number 4, and you confirm and you're done. The thing here is that Taxfyle, if you really think about it, is a hybrid. It's a combo. It's a mixture of the online DIY process that a lot of Americans know, and having your tax prepared by the local CPA. So you're gonna have the best of both worlds with Taxfyle, and this is pretty cool. We also love the fact that they have a pretty fantastic customer service. They're very responsive, especially during the tax season. So from January all the way to April, and when we also texted them, they were responsive also somewhere from September all the way to December. I think it's because when you amend a tax return or you ask for an extension, the deadline for filing an extension is October 15th. So the Taxfyle was able to incorporate that seasonality into their operational activity, which means that they have been very responsive. So Taxfyle, our score 9/10. Number 3, we have AskA CPA, and our score 9.5/10. This app is available on Android and iOS, and the unique features here are that this app has the most comprehensive database of tax Q&As explained in simple language. When it comes to taxes, we have seen a lot of apps complicating things for no reason. I mean, you don't. The normal taxpayer does not need to be a CPA or an EA, an enrolled agent, to file his or her taxes. At the end of the day, you just want to file your taxes and comply with the law. So what we love here is that AskA CPA really breaks it down very simply. And if you have some tax questions that you like answered, you just check out the free AskA CPA app, and you get all your valuable tax information directly from a CPA. They have a database of CPAs all over the country, and those CPAs are available 24/7 during tax season to answer all questions that customers have. And this is the only app that puts a CPA in the palm of your hand, as the company says on their website. And I think that's kind of true. In addition to the latest updates on IRS instructions and tax laws, if you go into the AskA CPA archives, you really see a constellation of Q&As, and you have a vast dictionary, a vast glossary of important questions, important evergreen questions that come back every tax season. And new questions and answers are added to the answer database daily without the need to update your app. So you will always know that you're getting access to the most current tax information. Right now, when we were testing the app, we realized that they had thousands of answers in the app. Right now, we have the whole situation around COVID and the stimulus checks and everything. And when we checked the app, the AskA CPA app, they have the latest. They actually have incorporated the latest information about the PPP, the Triple P loan program, and its implication for tax matters and other information. So that's pretty complete. Fantastic app. I'll be right back right after this. Don't go anywhere. Welcome back, folks, to another section of the Awesome Sweetie Kiwi Show. We are still talking to you today about the 5 little-known tax filing apps that have unique features the biggest players don't. And I want to talk to you now about number 2. And number 2, I have MilTax. MilTax, our score 9.5 over 10. And this is available on Android and iOS. And the unique feature of this app is that it delivers a complete suite of tax services to the military and their families. Now, this is just fantastic. If you are a serviceman or a service member, or you are a relative of a service member, then you want to go with MilTax. It is complete. It really provides all the information that you need. It is actually very trusted. The Department of Defense brings you MilTax preparation and e-filing software that includes industry-recognized security safeguards. So what I'm trying to say here is that the Pentagon has endorsed 100% the MilTax app, and the MilTax software provider protects the confidentiality of your personal information, and the app is designed for military life, and it was developed specifically to address the realities and tax scenarios of military life, so that you don't miss a deduction or allowance, and you can get your taxes refunded sooner. What we also love is the fact that it is easy and free. This is an easy to use preparation and e-filing software. It comes with no cost technical assistance and access to tax consultants if needed. This is the benefit you've earned through your military service. And another thing here is that MilTax services are always 100% free, and there are no hidden surprises. This includes online tax preparation, federal and state filing, and support from MilTax consultant when you have questions. And one thing we also love here is that you don't have to download anything. If you have a Mac or PC computer and have internet access, you can prepare an e-file with MilTax. So you have the app, but you also have the software, and it is secure and accurate. It is real secure, and calculations, according to the app, calculations are guaranteed to be 100% accurate, or the tax software provider or the app developer will reimburse you up to $10,000. So it can't get better than that, really, if you think about it, right? So you have the whole 9 yards, and on top of that, you have a guarantee that says in case that there is some kind of inaccuracy, you are being reimbursed up to $10,000 if the IRS, if you have some action with the IRS and you get penalized. Number one, when it comes to the 5 little-known tax filing apps that they have unique features the biggest players don't, I want to talk to you about TaxesToGo. Our score 10 over 10. This app is fantastic. It is available on Android and iOS. The unique feature here is that it is simple, secure, cloud-based. It actually has a simple, secured, cloud-based communication between several stakeholders. And so this is really a mobile app that allows you to send your tax information to your professional tax preparer from anywhere. So no need for an office visit. So you can save time and get your refund quickly. And one thing we love is the security. The encryption levels are kind of like military grade. So we're not talking about only 128, we're talking about 256. So you can securely transmit your tax documents and information to your preparer using a unique tax ID number for confidential communication. And it's very easy to use. We've tested it. You simply have to snap a picture of your tax documents, send them to your preparer, and sign your tax return, all from your mobile device. And another thing that is very cool here with this app is that we love the interface. It's very user-friendly, very easy to use, very clear, transparent, and more importantly, convenient. Nobody wants to be stressed during tax season when all you're trying to do is to comply with your fiscal your obligations as a taxpayer. You don't want to be bothered with the technicalities of the app, right? So this TaxesToGo actually answers that question. It is very easy to use. It is convenient, so you can quickly and securely send your tax documents to your professional preparer from your mobile device, again, without ever having to visit an office. Imagine, for instance, that you have, your CPA, your tax preparer is in New York, and you are currently in California. You don't have to drive or fly all the way to send him or her the info, or have to mail the documents, and pay 40 or 50 bucks to DHL or UPS or USPS or FedEx, right? You can just use the app and voila. And so it works very simply. Simply snap photos of your tax documents. And once you do that, the app will provide you a secure, unique tax number, which you will give to your professional tax preparer, who will then obtain the documents and information you've uploaded into the app. Very simple. All right, folks. This is it for today. This was a quick one. I was talking to you about the 5 little known tax filing apps that have unique features the biggest players don't. And the number one, just to quickly recap here, number one, we have TaxesToGo, our score 10 over 10. Number 2, MilTax 9.5 over 10. Number 3, AskA CPA 9.5 over 10. Number 4, Taxfyle 9 over 10. And number 5, eTaxReturn.com. This is free file, and our score, very simple, is 9 over 10. Thank you so much for your attention. I really appreciate it. I will talk to you another time. But until then, remember, stay marvelous.